Hi everyone, I'm Tina, the Creative Guru with Gems, Paper, Scissors, and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I am continuing working on this project, and I am still using the Amber Autumn stamps and dies. I cut this image out utilizing the dies, and then I stamped it in the Blackberry Bliss. In a previous Color My Monday story, I covered how to color utilizing our Wink of Stella. Today, I am going to use our wonderful blender pens to color the stems and a few other details on this particular card. I am using our early espresso, and as you can see, I have nothing on my lid yet. I am going to just squeeze, 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 squeeze. And it may take me a little bit because these cases are nicely stiff. They're strong. They're not going to crack. But it does make this technique a little bit of a thumb muscler. And typically we would slide this onto the track. I am not doing that today because I want to use what I put onto that lid. So I am going to take my blending pen and I'm just going to use it to lift off some of this ink, just like so. Okay, and I want to use this particular technique because I want a little bit more detail work than I used for the shimmer brush look. And I'm just adding little bits to the swirls, maybe a little to these plant stems to really polish off this look. I will also use this particular technique to get my leaves colored in with just some fun shades. And as you can see, it really, really lasts a while. Like I picked up just a tiny bit and I am still having color, adding that nice heavy center stem vine on my leaves. And then I will use this to take some of our different greens, probably an old olive to add to those leaves. And that is how you color with your Stampin' Pads and your blending pen. I hope that was helpful. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.